Hello all, welcome to session 26 of Selenium Python training series. In this session, I am going to demonstrate the first program of Python, that is how to print something in Python. So let's get started. For this, we have to first launch PyCharm. In one of the previous session, I explained how to install PyCharm and how to launch it in your machine. Hoping that you have launched the PyCharm in your machine, we will create a new project here. Already there is a project guys with the name first project which I have used in one of the previous sessions. Now let me create a new project, file, new project. So here give the name, let's say practice, Python practice. And that is the project name guys, this is the project name and simply say create. You'll get this dialog. Whether you want to create the project in the same window or you want to use this in a new window. I'll go with this window only, okay? Same window itself. So the moment you say that, the current window will be replaced by the new project. Let's wait for the project to be displayed in PyCharm. As you can see here, the Python project got created. Now what we'll do is, I'll right click on this Python project name and say new and create a folder, that is directory. Select this and give some name like practice. Okay. So under this practice folder, we'll create the Python files and in the Python files, we'll be practicing. Okay. I'm just creating a folder with the name practice. Now close this. It's not required. So under the practice, right click and say new and create a Python file. Say first program, right? First Python program for printing, for printing. So select this as Python file. You see Python file got created here and opened here. Now here I am going to write the print statements. So I'll simply write print, as you can see print in Python, and in the double quotes whatever you want to print, right? When you run this program, whatever you want to get it printed in the output, just type here guys. So I'll type my name Arun Moturi, print Arun Moturi. When I run this code, okay, you don't have to provide any semicolon like other languages guys, it's not required. Simply type print. Inside that, in the double quotes, you just provide the text guys. This statement is enough. When I run this code, you will see that this particular text that I have provided or mentioned in the double quotes will be printed in the output. So right click and run this first Python program for printing. You see in the output what we got, Arun Motori. Similarly, I'll type one more print statement. So here this time guys, this time in the first print statement, I surrounded the text that need to be printed into the output console with double quotes, right? As you can see here, double quotes are there. Now, instead of double quotes, I can even use single quotes. Here I'll say Selenium Python training. Now, if I run this code, you see that first Arun Motori, which is there in the double quotes, will be printed. The next line, Selenium Python training, which is in the single quotes of this print statement, will also be printed, guys. Either you can give double quotes or you can give single quotes, up to you. Run this. As you can see now, Arun Motori got printed. Along with that, Selenium Python training also got printed here. So hope guys you understood how to use the print statement in Python for printing the required text into the output. I'll explain more about this print in the coming sessions, guys. Okay, this is just a first program, just the beginning, guys. I don't want to explain more in the first session itself. So in the upcoming sessions of this Python programming series, you will learn a lot of things. Okay, this is just a getting started thing. So hope guys you understood how to print the text by writing the code in Python in this session using the print statement of Python. So that's it, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.